Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In today's video, we are going to understand SQE, which is the new pathway to become a solicitor in the UK. If you are someone who want to build a global legal career, work with international client or explore opportunity outside India, then this video is for you. By the end of this session, you will have complete clarity about what SQE is, how it works, and whether it is right choice for you. Let's start with the basics. SQE stands for Solicitor Qualifying Examination. It is introduced by the SRA. SRA means Solicitor Regulation Authority of the UK, which is the body that regulates solicitor in England and Wales. Early, there was a different system called LPC, but now SQE has replaced it. The most important thing you should understand is that SQA is not just about theory. It focuses on practical legal knowledge and real world applications. That means you are tested on how you apply law in a real situation, not just how you much remember. Now you might be thinking, why should I even consider SQE? First, it is a globally recognized qualification, which means it can open international career opportunities. Second, it is more flexible compared to the old system. You don't need a traditional training contract like before. Third is the designed according to modern legal industry needs, which means skills like problem solving, analysis, and decision making are more important than rote learning. So, overall, SQE is aligned with how the legal profession works today. One of the best part about SQE is accessibility. You don't need to be a law graduate necessarily. Even if you are from a non law background, you can still apply. You just need a bachelor degree in any field. There is a also no age limit. So, whether you are a student or a working professional, you can pursue it. It is also open for international candidates, which means students from India and other countries can apply. However, you must meet the characters and suitability requirement set by the SRA. Now let's understand the structure of the exam. SQE has two main character stages. First is SQE1, which tests your legal knowledge through multiple choice questions. Second is SQE2, which tests your practical skills like drafting, client interaction, and advocacy. So, in simple terms, SQE1 for knowledge, SQE2 for skills. In SQV1, you will have two exams, FLK1 or FLK2. FLK1, FLK means like foundation legal knowledge. Okay, each exam has 180 multiple choice questions. So overall, it's quite intensive. But the key thing is that there are not simple questions, they are scenario based. You will be given a situation and you have to choose the best possible answer. Subject include contract law, tort law, business law, criminal law, property law, and more. So the focus on understanding concept and applying them correctly. After clearing SQV1, you move to SQV2, which is completely different. Here, your practical legal skill are tested. You will be assessed to on things like client interviewing, advocacy, speaking and arguing, legal writing, drafting arguments. Okay, this stage is designed to clear check whether you can actually perform like a real lawyer in practical situations. Passing exam is not enough. There are two more important requirements. First is QWE, qualifying work experience, which is 2 year of legal experience. The good part is that is experience is flexible. You can complete it before, during, or after your exam. Second is the character and suitability check, where the SRA ensure that you meet ethical and professional standards. Only after completing all the step you can become a solicitor. Now let's talk about career options. After SQE, you can explore opportunity like working in UK law firms, joining corporate companies, or in-house legal team. Working in compliance and risk management, starting legal freelancing or consultancy. SQE is especially useful if you want to build a global or international legal career. This is the most important questions. Is SQE worth it? Yes. Answer is yes. But it depends on your legal career or legal goal. If you want to if you want to work international client in corporate law or in compliance and advisory fields, then SQE is definitely valuable. But remember, success is SQE is requires smart preparation, not just hard work. You need the right strategy, practice, and consistency. SQE is a skill-based modern legal qualification that focused on real-world application. It opens door to global opportunity, but it requires focused and strategic preparation. If you start early and prepare properly, it can completely transform your legal career. If you are interested in preparing for SQE and want proper guidance, strategy, and mock practice, you can join our SQE preparation program. Link in description. Okay, we help you with structured learning, exam strategy, real exam level practice. So take the first step today and start your journey toward become a UK solicitor. Thank you so much.